Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, it's a very amazing and wonderful day. I welcome you to the month of December. The year is 2024, and tryhackme has something good for us. Just like many other years, we get to experience the advent of cyber, where we call hackers together to be able to save the holiday, the Christmas holiday. So briefly, I'll give you an intro of what Advent of Cyber is. It's an event that has been happening every month of December. It's a day-to-day challenge that covers a couple of days. It's being hosted on tryhackme platform, whereby the challenge are scenario based. You get to have a scenario whereby we have some blue team activity rolling on, whereby you get to experience a couple of learning outcomes whereby you get to learn through stories. It's a very nice experience to go through during December holiday. So tryhackme makes things in a very simple way that you can be able to learn. It's very user friendly. You get to have a step by step walkthrough. So today is the first day of the advent of cyber. The year is 2024. The good thing about this event is that you can be able to win a lot of swag. There is a lot of swags to be grabbed, so you can be able to win a lot of swags that are out there. There is also maybe money there, and top of it, you are able to get a certificate once you're done with this course or module, to say so. So today I'm gonna walk you through the first day of advent of cyber. We are just going to share some of the experience that we are able to feel. For my case, this has been an easy challenge. As you can see on the tryhackme platform, it says it's an easy challenge, and I've been able to accomplish this. The first module of advent of cyber. There is a challenging part, and that is to do with the task 7. That's on the first day. So you can see we have different tasks that were opened up a while ago. So we have task 1 up to 6. Those were open a while ago. So with the first task, it just welcome you to the advent of cyber. Here it's whereby you get to learn what advent of cyber is. There is a couple of prizes to be won. So yeah, you can see there is some swag tickets, there's some gadgets there, some monitors, some hacky device, some bags, some chairs, and all that. So it's a very nice event to participate. And you can see that we have 100,000 US dollars up for grabs. That's worth of prizes. Now, on the second listed as task, you are asked to join a community. So here in joining a community, you can follow tryhackme Advent of Cyber on LinkedIn. You can follow it on Discord. Discord channel is a very interactive platform. You can follow it on X. You can follow it on Instagram, Facebook, and many more. It's very important to follow their community so that you get to learn more about what Advent of Cyber is. Then on the task trees, that's still in introduction. You can see like we have completing Advent of Cyber as an organization. Here is a case whereby you can come in not as an individual but as an organization. Maybe you want all of your team members to be able to learn new skills, especially in the blue teaming side. That's the SOC, the Security Operations Center. It's very important challenge for the blue teamers. So like myself, I'm a blue teamer, I'm a red teamer, so I call myself a purple team. That means I can be able to juggle between the red and the blue team side, but I'm mostly a blue teamer and I really love participating in such challenges. So you can join as an organization. Then here we are being shown how you can be able to use tryhackme. So there can be a bit of challenges that has been explained here due to large amount of traffic whenever you're trying to access the machine. It might be unavailable at the moment. You are advised to keep on trying or try come a bit later because so many people around the globe are trying to participate in these challenges, and that's what makes it interesting because you get to interact, or rather, when many people come up to deal with some particular challenge, you bring in different ideas, you're able to converse about different things, and that's where platforms such as Discord can be very helpful. Now, here it has a story of how this challenge is gonna be, and I'm gonna take you through this story very quickly. So here you can see that there is a town known as Tech Savvy, and this town is a town of Wareville. And Wareville, that's a very perfect name for me. We have SOCMAS. Now, this is the annual celebration of the cybersecurity. This was closing in, so it was near. Then there is a very interesting character in this story. We'll get to know about them. There is something happening in the shadows. There is a term known as glitch, whereby you're gonna understand this term as well. You'll get to know who glitch are and what they're doing and what's their role in this particular challenge. Different terms that you are gonna encounter. There are a lot of more of characters that are very interesting in these stories that you are gonna encounter, and I'll also be able to mention one or two as we journey through the advent of Cyber 2024, a very interesting challenge. So as you can see, it's a story. If you read through, you can be able to see what's a couple of what's happening. So this SOC team member was able to discover something that seemed malicious, and now she has to go to an investigation, or rather an incident response process, just to be able to determine what's happening and to see if they can be able to solve this mystery. And they are calling upon all our support to come in and solve the mystery together. In that same case, you're able to learn. And that's how your holiday is going to be interesting by you taking part in the advent of cyber. The year is 2024. Very interesting. So having completed that brief introduction, then you can choose to subscribe, whether you want to be a premium member of tryhackme. So they have a discount. You can see they offer 30% discount. So yeah, I'll advise you to go in and subscribe as a premium member, because you get access to fast different pathways, attack box, you get faster machine, and you are able to unlock some other premium content. So when you're going through this module in tryhackme, you'll be able to you'll be able to be you'll be able to be referred to different modules that have in-depth learnings from what you have been able to cover. So for instance, you cover some module that has to do with something to do with SIM, you'll be referred to modules that are specifically for SIM, such as the introduction to SIM. You can be able to do a module dealing with Splunk if that's the kind of SIM that you are learning in that particular model. So yeah, I'll advise you to go for the premium package. It's very cheap. There is a discount there. You can dig in and be able to enjoy a lot more features this December holiday. So I'll not be able to show you the module one, because I'll not want to show you the answers before you are able to finish the room by yourself. So if I open it, you might be able to see the answers, and that's something that you'll have to forgive me. I'm not gonna show you that, but my final words is that I'm gonna walk you through these. We'll be able to review a lot of things that are, or rather terminologies and experience that we are encountering here. So especially when you are new here, uh, let's get into Discord. We'll have a lot of information to share here and there, but every day I'll be releasing videos on how we are able to review what we are going through. So this, I'll treat it as an introduction video for the advent of cyber as we walk along. But tomorrow I'll be doing a review of most of the challenges that we have covered, just to be able to have a deeper insight and understanding of whatever was happening without releasing the actual uh, answers that are required. But you will be able to grasp the concepts or whatever is trying to happen. Just to give you a hint of what's happening on day one, you need to analyze some files. This comes in as a website that seems to be legitimate, but in real sense, once you try to convert. It's a website to be able to convert a video to audio or MP3 to MP4 converter, something of the sort. So you can be able to download something on YouTube and convert it. But in a sense, you're able to download two files. So one of the file is legitimate, another file is malicious. What a malicious file does, it can be able to interfere. It affects users who are running Windows over operating system, and that is able to send some information such as it has a code that it downloads a code that will be able to run and check if whether it can be able to collect some crypto information, crypto wallet information, and maybe some browser data and send it to a C2 server. That's a command and control server. So there is a lot of investigation to be done. You'll be able to go to GitHub to see, trying to find who is this kind of personnel that is trying to do this attack. So it's a very interesting module. It's been exciting for me. There is a character known as MM. It was a bit challenging to get that person, but I am happy that through OSINT I was able to figure out uh, who that person really is. So last but not least, you can see these are creators for this challenge. Tryhackme, a lot of names that has been listed down there. They have come together to create these rooms. And I'll give a big shout out to Tryhackme and everyone who collaborated to come up with this amazing experience for December. So till next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe, share your comments, your thoughts, like and share the video with others so that they can be able to learn as much as you do. It's good to learn as a community. It's been your mentor and the talk for today. Call me White Shadow KE. Much love. Happy hacking and happy holiday.